Good morning, good evening, good afternoon from whatever part of the world that you are watching this video from. My name is Itsuki Saka. Welcome to my channel. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. If this is the first time on this channel, kindly consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. And remember to hit the bell notification icon. So it's a beautiful day in Africa, the eastern side of Africa, from Kenya. There's a video that has been going around about a certain Chinese Jamaican, and in this case I'll just refer to her as Chinese. She has been complaining and saying that Jamaica is not an African country. Jamaican dialect is not an African dialect. Yes, partly there's some truth in that, but you know that Jamaica is 90% of Jamaicans are actually black, and we as Africans growing up, most of us have been inclined knowing that Jamaica is a black nation. It's only recently that we have come to realize that Jamaica is made of many races. I don't know why she is speaking like that, or what is making her say that. Maybe it could be the unity that Jamaicans are showing to us Africans. Jamaicans have been very supportive, and as I have said, 90% of Jamaicans are black, and they have been standing for Africans. And Jamaica is yes, it's a nation that is not in Africa, but I can say that it is an African nation outside of Africa. That was what I can say, because looking at the culture, looking at the history, we share a lot. If you talk about during the colonization period that has took place in Jamaica, most of the Africans were taken from West Africa to Jamaica, not only, and Jamaica at that time was like the transit point. When the slaves were coming from West Africa, they landed in Jamaica and then taken to other nations. So you can't just start lecturing Jamaicans and start saying that Jamaica is not a black nation, and yet 90% of Jamaicans are black. Leave alone even that the Jamaican patois. You cannot say that it is not an African dialect, and yet most of the words come from language in West Africa. You know, there are words like unu, obia, nyam, aki, and so many words from Akan, from Igbo. Majority of the languages from West Africa being spoken at the moment in West Africa, and which form part of the Jamaican patois. So you can't say that Jamaican accent is not African. That is wrong. It is made up majority of African dialects, especially the Akan, the Igbo, the Yoruba, countries in like Senegal, Nigeria, the Gold Coast, that is the Ghana. You cannot differentiate the way the language that it is spoken there and what it is spoken in Jamaican patois. It is just one and the same. And you know, Africans love Jamaica. We love Jamaica so much. If you look at most of the homes, you'll discover that we have pictures of Jamaican artists, because we love reggae music, and you cannot take away that. Also, most of our vehicles have graffiti of Jamaican graffiti, and also not Jamaican graffiti too only. Other black icons like Marcus Garvey, uh, Haile Selassie, and many others who, Nelson Mandela, who fought for or have been fighting for the independence and unity of Africans. Some Chinese, I think they are not just okay when Africans come together. You know, unity is power. When most Africans start talking about Jamaica, they are not okay. They start claiming a lot, saying that we are not, Jamaica is not part of Africa. That is not right. Jamaica is an African country out of Africa. I understand there are also other races, but Jamaica is predominantly made up of black. I understand there are Jamaica, Indo-Jamaican, but Jamaica is predominantly black. And you cannot say that unless you have some ill intentions or your intentions are hidden. That is wrong. Guys, Jamaicans have been very supportive to Africans, and they have been very welcoming. Recently, there have been a flock of YouTubers from Africa going to Jamaica and have been doing videos over there. They have been welcomed so warmly. I've realized that if Jamaicans, most of the Jamaicans, once they realize that you are from Africa, they embrace you, they welcome you, they are hospitable to you. So many YouTubers from Africa, Wodemaya, African Tigress, Marwa, Dimwango, and so many others have been there and have been treated well. So no one should start to come up with or rather insinuating that Africans and Jamaicans are not one. We are one. And Jamaicans, you are welcome to Africa. Feel free to come to Africa. Africa is a very huge nation, a huge continent. Big continent that can be able to accommodate all the people from Caribbean. So if you feel like coming to Africa, you are welcome. You're welcome.